It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Woofy. Morning, busy bunnies. Morning, Lolly the lamb. Look, there's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! Bleats Lolly the lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the lamb. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10. Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swo-Swoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swo-Swoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swo-Swoosh. Oh dear, Swo-Swoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. Go away, Swo-Swoosh, whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me. There you are, Honk, bleats Lolly the lamb. I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland. It was now Swo-Swoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swo-Swoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swo-Swoosh's secret hiding place. Swo-Swoosh, let me think. Where could Swo-Swoosh be? Pretends Toot. Shh! Be quiet, Woofy, whispers Swo-Swoosh. If you keep barking like that, they'll find me. And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Woofy's turn to run and hide. Hide and seek is a fun game for a sunny day. Who wants to play? Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.